With all the hustle and bustle, it's easy to feel like we're drowning in a sea of to-do lists and gift shopping. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim your peace of mind this season? I think we've all been there before, feeling like we're stuck in some kind of holiday whirlwind with endless commitments, mile-long to-do lists, and the pressure to make everything perfect. And honestly, it can be downright overwhelming. The constant juggling act between work, family, social obligations can leave us feeling like we're constantly running on empty. One of the biggest challenges we face during the holiday season is managing our time. There just isn't enough hours in a day to get everything done, and it can be hard to prioritize what needs to be done first. Add to that the financial stress of gift buying, hosting, and traveling, and it's no wonder we often feel like we're drowning in debt. And let's not even get started on the emotional toll it can take on us. From dealing with difficult relatives to trying to live up to unrealistic expectations, it can be a real emotional roller coaster. On top of all that, there's the pressure to be merry and bright and put on a happy face and pretend like everything is okay, even when it's not. It's a heavy burden to carry, and it can be exhausting. And sometimes it feels like we're the only ones who are struggling, like everyone else has their act together and we're just floundering around, trying to keep our heads above water. But here's the thing, we're not alone. We're all in this together, and we all deserve to enjoy the holiday season, not just survive it. So, how do we cope with all this holiday chaos? For starters, we need to prioritize. Make a list of what needs to be done, and then break it down into manageable chunks. Learn to say no to things that don't serve you, and yes to things that bring you joy. Set realistic expectations for yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. And remember, it's okay to take a step back. Take a deep breath and recharge when you need to. Another strategy is to focus on what's truly important to you. What are your non-negotiables? What traditions do you want to keep? And which ones can you let go of? By focusing on what truly matters, you can cut through the noise and get back to what the holiday season is really about. And don't forget to take care of yourself in the process. Whether it's taking a quiet moment to meditate, going for a solo walk, or simply enjoying a cup of hot cocoa in peace, make sure you're prioritizing your own well-being. Because when we take time to care for ourselves, we're better equipped to handle all the craziness that comes with the holiday season. One of my favorite holiday memories is from a few years ago, when I realized that I didn't have to do it all. I was feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and just plain exhausted. And I realized that I had the power to choose how I wanted to spend my holiday. So I took a step back. I reevaluated my priorities and focused on what truly mattered to me. And you know what? It was the most relaxing, enjoyable holiday season I'd had in years. That's what I want for you this holiday season, to feel empowered to take control of your own holiday experience, to prioritize your own well-being, and to find joy in the midst of all the chaos. So, take a deep breath. Remember that you're not alone, and know that it's okay to feel overwhelmed. By prioritizing your own needs, focusing on what truly matters, and taking care of yourself, you can reclaim your peace of mind this season. Thanks for watching. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed during the holiday season, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're looking for more holiday tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos on stress-free holiday hosting. Click the link in the description to view our mindful apparel to help you get through the season.